Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install create Aeronautics for Minecraft Java. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Modrent. Then you need to go to a discover content mods and then you just need to simply write a create Aeronautics, right? Select this, then go to versions, then wait for a couple of seconds and make sure to download 1.21.1 Neo4j version. Then click on this and then you need to download a few dependencies, so Sable and create. So just open up these two, then go to versions, select platform Neo4j, and then select also 1.21.1. Same thing with create, go to versions, then game versions 1.21.1 and then Neo4j, right? And then download this. Once you do so, then you need to look for Neo4j, then select 1.21.1 as well, and then just download the installer. If you don't see a Java icon on your installer, what you need to do here is to just download GDK 25. Simply it's Java, so you just need to download for your computer. If you're on Windows, this will work for you. Then you should have on your PC 4 files, so go ahead and press on Neo4j and install Neo4j. Of course, don't run Minecraft launcher or Minecraft itself, because launcher will not work. Installer will not work, so you just need to completely close Minecraft launcher and Minecraft itself to make sure this is working. And then you need to wait until basically this process will be finished. So as you can see here, it's installing. It will take a couple of seconds. It's finished, and then you just need to run Minecraft launcher. Okay, once launcher is here, go to installations here, look for Neo4j and press on the folder here, and then you need to look for mods folder. If you don't have mods folder, just create normal folder and name it mods, and then you need to drag and drop these 3 files here. And once you do so, then you need to just launch Minecraft through Neo4j here and wait until it loads up. And now if we go on mods, we can see that there is Aeronautics mods. So if we go on the single player, for example, let's create a new world and let's make it a creative here. Then if we open our inventory and then go with the arrow here, press create simulated, as you can see here, there is aeronautic things here. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.